Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nettie from Nettie's Hairtique, and I am back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys just how I restyle these units. My customer sent in 2 wigs to be maintenance for her. I made these wigs a while ago. These wigs, I can't remember exactly when I made them, but I'm going to take them out the bag and just show you guys. This is the first unit that she sent in. And I'm going to be washing and conditioning and just restyling. You can see they have my old name and my old logo on them. And this is the other unit. It's a bob unit. So I do have a video showing you guys how I maintenance my customers' wigs. You can check that out if you're looking to just see how to properly clean your customers' wigs. And then I'm just going to skip ahead to the styling portion. So here I am, and I'm just getting ready to prep the wigs for styling. So I'm going to start with the bob, and I'm going to show you guys the bobs because my customer wanted wand waves on both units, and I've never done that on a bob wig. So I recorded the process of me doing it on this wig instead of the long one. So I went in with some bio silk and my heat protectant, and then I'm just going to blow dry the hair out just to get it ready for curling. All right, so now that the hair is nice and smooth and shiny, I'm going to go in with my wax stick and my hot comb, and I'm going to start to mold down the top of the unit. I just grabbed my Sebastian shaper, and I'm going to use it to form the front of the hairline. It really works at holding the hairline in place without making it hard or anything like that. You can also use the spritz. I like the Fantasia, the olive oil spritz. That works really well as too. I ran out of that, and my next best thing I go to is my Sebastian shaper. So I'm just forming a little baby here on the side, and I'm just going to flip it up with the flat iron, and then I'm going to use my Kenra holding spray to hold it in place. All right, so the top of the unit is all done. Now I'm gonna go in and, since it's a blunt cut bob, I wanna go in and just cut off any strands of hair that's sticking out and try to get the part as close to the cut as possible. But you're gonna always have some hairs sticking out. So just give those a cut and just clean it up. So I'm just going to section off the hair to just start getting ready to put these wand waves in. And I'm going to section out the front part, and then I'm going to split the back into two, and I'm going to just be working from side to side. And I'm going to start with the back row, and I'm going to be using my my Babyless 3/4 curling iron. So now getting wand curls or wand waves on blunt cut hair is so hard because it's almost impossible to wrap this hair around the curling iron. So you can see I was struggling there. I couldn't even get a wave out of the hair. So what I decided to do was that back row, it's the shortest, so I just decided to just use the curler and just curl it. And I'm going to curl the back row, and then I'm just going to just take it apart to kind of like mimic a wave, and then I'll just use it with the longer hairs on top and just blend it in. And I'm going to be using my Kinra holding spray throughout the whole unit to hold these curls. Okay, so now the back is curled, and I'm just gonna just take my finger and just kind of like just pull them apart. And then I'm gonna move to the next row. And I'm just working with small sections to make it, a lot easier. This row was a little bit easier to curl because it's a little bit longer than the back one. So you're going to see me, I'm just going to take them and I'm going to just pull them out, spray them with the Kinra holding spray. And then I'm just going to move on to the next section. Doing the back was just so difficult. I had to do some of them over, like just trying to get that hair wrapped around the curler. I burned myself, I don't know how many times, but that's all right because the final look was worth it. Now I'm just kind of just pulling them down and running my comb through it just to shape the wave look. And I'm just going to continue to do this all the way up to the top. It gets a lot easier at the top because the hairs are much longer. Okay, so this is how it's looking. The style is starting to form. You can see the waves. I apologize for the lighting. I was trying to keep the lighting good on the camera, but of course, I never know what I'm doing when it comes to that, so I try my best. All right, so I'm working my way up to the top and it's not looking so bad. It's looking pretty good. Then I'm just gonna just keep going until I reach all the way up to the top, and then I'm gonna work on those two front pieces. And I apologize in advance because I did record me curling the front sections of the unit, and for some reason I have the file, but for some reason it just won't load. I couldn't get it to load onto the app that I used to edit, so I pretty much lost that footage. So as I get to the top, you can definitely see the curl wave pattern much better because the pieces are longer. So I have a little bit more waves on the longer pieces. So it does look really good. I did the same thing in the front, nothing different except that the front pieces that's on the part, I did curl towards the face just to get a nice shape and form for the face. All right, so I am finished with the unit. Like I said, I apologize that I didn't show you guys the front, but this is how she came out. She looks really good. I'm gonna take her and move her to the mannequin. And this is what she is looking like. Back looks really good. She came out so good. She looks really, really pretty. She looks better than I thought she would come out. She is giving like Boss Bob, okay? CEO, Boss Babe. She's giving everything and I love it. I'm here for it. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on, and I'm just gonna I'd curl the other one off camera. The longer one, I didn't do it on camera. I was getting tired. It was like towards the end of the day. These are the last 2 units that I was working on. So the only thing different that I did do on a long one is that I pinned the wand waves. So I pinned them each up as I was working, and this is how she came out. Just put her on the mannequin so I can take my pictures. And now I'm going to get both of these beauties ready for shipping to send them back to their owner. And that is pretty much it for this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.